Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share about 12 Caucasian Beauties headshot pictures for your Character Creator 4 headshot plugins. Had you feel sometimes the Character Creator 4 or any of your iClone 3D animation avatar, there are lack of beautiful girls, beautiful ladies. And now these 12 high quality JPG headshot pictures I had shared for you. You can just scroll down, go to my video descriptions, the first link. This is my Google Drive link. Get the zip folder and just extract it into your folder. And of course, you need to have the Character Creator 4 headshot plugin so that you can use the headshot plugin to generate the 3D avatar for you. And then after that, use the morph at here to just reshape the head sometimes. Right now, if you already download the zip file, just extract it. Just have a look. These 12 pictures, they are really high quality headshot pictures that you can use it immediately. Right now, so let's have a demo. I just create a new file, a new avatar in Character Creator 4. I don't save it. And at the beginning, it is empty. So first, you have to click the headshot. Then it will open the headshot plugins. Just select the auto. And next, back to your folder. Choose one of them, drag it into here. Then you may just choose female, no mask, and generate. At here, you need to just wait for a while until it finishes generate the whole 3D avatar. And then you can use it immediately in your iClone 7, you can use it in iClone 8 3D animation software, or you can extract or you can export it as FBX file for any other third-party software. Now the Character Creator 4 and headshot plugin is working. Now it is creating a new avatar. Here I click OK, or auto search is OK. Just close it. It doesn't matter for that conversations as long as it can generate the avatar for you. So here just need to wait for a while. Now it almost done already. Now is 53%. It is generating the mesh. And this headshot plugin is an AI app. It is artificial intelligence that can just generate the 3D avatar for you. And we just have a look. Now after a few seconds, it should done. Now it really done already. And for this time, I want to see a T-pose. Let's see how. The hairstyle, click conform and calculate the collisions because I don't want to see this. And also click the headshot again. You can just compare it. And if you feel that the face shape, you need to reshape it, you can just come to here. And then under the headshot here, the face, you can adjust it. For example, the face width, you can readjust it to make sure it look like the headshot picture above. Then just go to the dress and dress this avatar, the cloth. Choose some of the clothes, for example, the shirts. And pants. And also some shoes, you can just choose for her. Once done already, you can just export it as FBX or just send it to iClone 8 to perform the 3D animations. And of course, you have to save this as a project file. Save the project as CC3. This is a CC4 project, but it can only open by using the Character Creator 4. Just save it here. Next time, you still can edit it again, for example, the clothes, etc. Alright, that's all for today about my sharing of the 12 Caucasian beautiful ladies and girls that for you, you can generate a lot of the main avatar because they're really nice look, have nice face, nice appearance. You can make them become the main avatar in your 3D animations. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all this tutorial and sharing are very helpful to your 3D animation, 3D modeling, and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D animation and game developing. See you!